What if I told you that in 2025, you could make a full-time income without even leaving your couch? And no, I do not mean selling your couch on Facebook Marketplace. The truth is, side hustles have exploded in the past few years. With inflation eating away at our paychecks and remote work becoming the new normal, more people than ever are looking for ways to make extra money from home. And here's the kicker. The opportunities right now are bigger, smarter, and in many cases, easier than ever. Think about it, our parents' idea of a side hustle was probably babysitting the neighbor's kids or mowing lawns. Fast forward to 2025 and people are making money creating digital stickers, renting out AI chatbots, or flipping virtual real estate. Wild, right? But here's the problem. There are so many options. It is overwhelming. Which side hustles are actually worth your time, and which ones are just hype? That is exactly what we are going to break down today. So grab your coffee, put on those I am totally productive sweatpants, and let's dive into 9 powerful side hustles from home in 2025 that could change your bank account and maybe even your life. Freelance AI prompt engineering. Let's start with the big one, AI. In 2025, companies and individuals are paying top dollar for people who can create smart, effective prompts for AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or specialized industry models. Think of it like being a translator between humans and robots. Businesses do not just want a picture of a cat, they want a high-resolution, Pixar-style cat wearing sunglasses riding a skateboard in Times Square. If you can craft prompts that deliver results, you can charge $50, $100, sometimes even $200 per project. And the best part? You do not need a tech degree, just creativity and practice. But if words are not your thing, maybe visuals are, because the next hustle is all about design. Digital product creation, printables, ebooks, templates. Ever bought a planner template, a resume design, or an Instagram story pack? That is a digital product, and people are making thousands every month selling them on Etsy, Gumroad, and Canva's marketplace. The beauty here is scalability. You create once and sell over and over. It is like building your own little money printer, except it is totally legal. But maybe you are thinking, I am not a designer. No worries, the next hustle does not require you to be creative at all. Remote customer support and chat jobs. Yep, customer support got an upgrade in 2025. With so many companies going remote, businesses are hiring at-home reps to handle chat, email, and even voice support. It is flexible, pays decently anywhere from $15 to $25 an hour, and does not require fancy skills. If you can type, troubleshoot basic issues, and not lose your cool when someone says, I turned it off and back on, and it is still not working, you are golden. But what if you do not want to boss at all? That is where the next hustle shines. Niche content creation, faceless YouTube, TikTok, or blogs. You have seen those faceless YouTube videos, top 10 travel destinations, finance hacks, or AI news updates. These channels are racking up millions of views, and most do not even show their face. Pair that with TikTok or a blog, and suddenly you have built a digital media brand. Monetization comes through ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Imagine making money while you sleep because a video you uploaded months ago is still racking up views. And speaking of sleeping, the next hustle might literally earn you cash while you snooze. Renting out digital assets. In 2025, people are renting out not just homes, but digital property. Think domain names, websites, even newsletter slots. Own a catchy domain like bestaitools.com. You can rent it to businesses. Got a small but loyal email list? Brands will pay to sponsor it. This is like being a landlord in the digital world without dealing with clogged toilets. But if you want something more hands-on, let's talk about the hustle that feels like a cheat code. Online tutoring and microcourses education is massive right now, and you do not need to be a certified teacher. Platforms like Teachable, Skillshare, and even TikTok are rewarding microcourses, short, bite-sized lessons on anything from coding basics to playing guitar. People are paying for speed learning. If you can teach someone a skill faster than YouTube tutorials, you have struck gold. Now, maybe teaching is not your vibe. Maybe you are the type who loves deals and bargains. If so, the next hustle is perfect. Online reselling, thrift flipping, and retail arbitrage. Ever seen someone buy a $5 thrift store jacket and flip it for $60 on eBay? That is reselling, and it is alive and well in 2025. But here is the twist. AI tools can now scan thrift store apps, Facebook Marketplace, and even auction sites to tell you what is trending. It is like having a money radar in your pocket. And speaking of trends, this next hustle is brand new and blowing up right now. AI-powered virtual assistants here is a curveball. You do not have to be the assistant. You can own one. Entrepreneurs are creating custom AI bots that help businesses with scheduling, content drafting, or even sales outreach. Imagine setting up an AI assistant for a small real estate office and charging them a monthly fee. Do that for 5 clients and boom, you have got recurring income. But maybe you want a hustle that feels more fun? One that taps into hobbies? Do not worry, I have saved that for last. Gaming and esports side hustles. Yep, in 2025, gaming is not just a pastime, it is a paycheck. Between Twitch streaming, YouTube clips, coaching newer players, or even testing new games for studios, the opportunities are endless. And no, you do not have to be a pro gamer. Sometimes people just want to watch someone funny, relatable, or even terrible at the game. Remember, personality pays. So let's recap. In 2025, side hustles are not just extra cash, they are a pathway to freedom. Whether it is AI prompt engineering, selling digital products, tutoring, or even gaming, the opportunities are everywhere. The key is this: pick one hustle, start small, and stay consistent. Because the truth is, the difference between someone dreaming of extra income and someone actually making it is just action. So let me ask you, out of these 9 side hustles, which one are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments below because I had loved to know where you were starting. And hey, if this video gave you even one good idea, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with a friend who is always talking about wanting passive income, but never takes the leap. Oh, and do not go too far, because in the next video, I am diving into best side hustles for extra income right now. Trust me, you do not want to miss it. Until then, stay focused, stay creative, and keep building your financial freedom right from home.